extrememetalproducts.com in Cleveland, Ohio. We're here to show you our 72-inch quick connect snowplow for the John Deere tractors. They're equipped with this type of connection. As you can see, very simple. Drive in, insert your 2 pins, and you're connected. It is a 72-inch plow blade. The mold board is made from 14-gauge steel. All the ribs are 1/4 inch laser cut, tabbed together for a nice fit every time. One thing unique, there's a center pivot here. As you can see, what that does, it allows the plow ends to go up and down to follow the contour of the ground, which is pretty nice on a tractor, being that you're farther out front than usual. This one here is equipped with our electric over hydraulic power angle. What's unique about this is it has a breakaway valve. If you hit something real hard, it'll break loose. You can reset your button here in a split second and angle it again. If you do not choose to go with the power angle option, it would come with a hitch pin for left, right, center adjustment. If you do go with the power angle option, you would be getting this wiring harness and bracket. You hook this up to your dash, or put it in your dash, or hook this bracket up anywhere you like on your tractor, and then you would be hooking the other end up here. This would be your angle adjustment for left and right on the snowplow. Basically, everything you see here is made in Cleveland, Ohio. It fits all the John Deere tractors with this type of hookup. Comes with the plow shoes. Again, a 72-inch blade. Keep in mind when you're plowing, ideally you want to keep the frame here parallel with the ground so you don't trip the springs prematurely. Okay, we're going to drive in and show you how to hook it up.